Hi everyone, it's Ms.Salazar and welcome to Grammar. So today we're going to talk about types of sentences, but we're going to talk about two different types of sentences. It's not going to be statements or questions like last time. So today we're going to focus on commands and exclamations. Now, a command is a sentence that tells someone what to do. It tells you what to do. It gives you an order. So a command begins with capital letter and ends with a period or an exclamation point. For example, throw the trash out. So that sentence tells you something. It's giving you an order. It's telling you to throw the trash out and it ends in a period. But look at the other example. Throw the trash out. So that sentence has an exclamation point at the end and it tells you something. It's still telling you to throw the trash out. So that is a command. It tells you what to do. Now, an exclamation is a sentence that shows strong feelings. It's a sentence that can show you that the person is angry, it's sad, that the person is happy or excited. It shows really strong feelings. Now, an exclamation sentence begins with capital letter and ends with an exclamation point. For example, that piece of cake is mine. So that sentence ends in an exclamation point. This over here. So the difference between the commands and an exclamation sentence is that the commands tell you what to do. Commands give you an order. So remember that sentences that are commands, they can either end in a period or in an exclamation point, but they always tell you what to do. They give you an order. Now, exclamations, they don't necessarily give you an order, right? So they show very strong feelings, okay? So that's what they do. And don't confuse exclamations with statements. Remember that statements, they just tell you something. They tell you information. An exclamation shows emotion, whether the person is angry or sad or frustrated or very excited. It shows very strong feelings. Now let's see, how do I know if the sentence is a command? So let's look at number one. Give it back to me. So that sentence ends in an exclamation point, but give it back to me. It's giving you an order. It's giving you an order. It's telling you what to do. Give it back to me. So this is going to be a command and not an exclamation sentence. So you have to read the sentence in order to figure out if it's a command or if it's an exclamation. So in this case, it's going to be command because it's telling you what to do. It's giving you an order. Give it back to me. Number two, take that paper to Mrs. Zine. So it's going to be a command. Take that paper to Mrs. Zine. It's giving you an order. It's telling you what to do. Number three, William, focus on the test. So this is a sentence that's telling you what to do. It's telling William to focus on the test. It's giving William a command. So it's going to be what? It's going to be a command sentence. Let's see. Sentence number four, write down the sentence. So it's telling you what to do. Again, it's a command. Number five, shake it before you drink it. So again, it's telling you what to do. It's giving you an order. It's a command. And all of these sentences end in a period, except for number one, which ends in exclamation point. So how do I know if it's an exclamatory sentence? So number one, I love the gift. So this is definitely an exclamatory sentence, right? First of all, it has an exclamation point, so that's a clue. And another thing is that when you read the sentence, it gives you it's a sentence that gives you a very strong feeling, right? So I love the gift. So this person loves the gift. That's a very strong feeling, right? Love. So it's definitely an exclamatory sentence. Number two, that movie was so scary. Again, it's going to be an exclamatory sentence. It ends in an exclamation point, but the sentence is also giving you very strong feelings. That was so scary. Number three, wow, I can't believe that happened. So it ends in an exclamation point and it's giving you strong feelings. This is the feeling of disbelief, right? Like you can't believe like this is real. Wow, I can't believe that happened. Disbelief. And then number 4, this is so crazy. Again, this is so crazy. This is giving you a feeling, a very strong feeling, and it ends in an exclamation point. Number 5, purple is my favorite color too. So again, it gives you a feeling, a very strong feeling, and it ends in an exclamation point. As you can see that all of these sentences end in an exclamation point, and that's the thing about exclamatory sentences. They always end with an exclamation point, just like questions, right? If it's a question, it is always going to end with a question mark. But if it's an exclamatory sentence, it's always going to end in an exclamation point. Now, again, types of sentences. You have question, it ends with a question mark. You have a statement. A statement ends in a period. It tells you something, it gives you information. Number 3, a command. A command tells you what to do, it gives you an order, and it could end in either a period or in an exclamation point. And then you have the exclamatory sentences, which give you very strong feelings, and it ends with an exclamation point. So you have this video, you have to watch it. It's in LMS. You guys have this video in LMS. And then this is going to be your assessment. There you go. So this is going to be your assessment. You have these 2 pages in your workbook, commands and exclamations. So this page focuses only on commands, and then this page focuses only on exclamations. So over here on this page, you're going to underline the sentence if it is a command. So you have to read the sentence. You have to read the sentence, and then you have to ask yourself, okay, is it telling me what to do? Is it giving me an order? And if it does, if it is giving you an order, if the sentence is telling you what to do, then you are going to underline that sentence. If it's not telling you what to do, if it's not giving you an order, then you're not going to do anything. And then over here in exclamations, you're going to read the sentence and it's missing an exclamation point, right? So you have to rewrite the sentence on this line, and you have to make sure that you write the exclamation point correctly. Okay, so that is what you're going to do. That is your assessment. And you have until the 27th to turn this in. So this is worth 20 points, and you're going to turn this in to LMS and PDF. So you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, everyone.